So we ready? We ready? But we need a drum roll, please. Yeah, here it is, people. Yeah. Oh, listen, I'm keeping it short and sweet. You know what I mean? I'm not even saying too much. I'm gonna let Luca and James do it. I'm just gonna stand here and admire the new car. Let's go.
Ready to go? Here we go. Yeah, good. There you go.
Come on, are you mad? Told you, you're not gonna be disappointed. We've got the 2021 BMW M3 Comp in black, yeah, stealth mode, black rims, sickest interior. Listen, we'll let Luca tell you about the car, the spec of it. I'm ready to drive, I ain't gotta do any more talking. Peace.
Guys, so Mike called me yesterday. He'd seen this online. He was extremely excited. He came down straight away to come view it, and we deal done within an hour. Now, when I tell you, I've never seen a customer as excited to come collect his new car. Mike, it's unbelievable. We'll have to get CCTV footage of him jumping around the room when he came to collect the vehicle. It is unbelievable.
Fuck, I couldn't help myself. I said to the camera, I said, listen, right, if this goes ahead, yeah, you just got to act the professional and just try and keep it calm, yeah? As soon as I said, right, it's gone through, I had to walk out the showroom and start screaming. Head was gone, mate, I couldn't deal with it.
Right, so he's after going for the M3 competition. As you can see, it's fully blacked out. It is fully specced up. So we've got the M competition alloy wheels. We've got on the inside, as you can see, it's a very bold spec. Blue individual interior, full carbon interior as well. Heads-up display. It's fully specced out. So we'd just like to say thank you very much to Mike for the business, and best luck with the new vehicle.
Come on, come on. 016 was number one. Alright, done it? Won't be staying stopped for long, I'll tell you that. So people, as you all know by now, Michael Shoeblacker, 0161's number one. Listen, been eyeing up a new car for a couple of weeks now. The RS6 just hasn't been, I've not gelled with it. I've seen this online, rang up Enkae yesterday, got put through to my man Luca. Yeah, an hour and a half later we're down here, hour after that deal's concluded. Service, 10 out of 10. Nothing, can't fault you on anything, do you know what I mean? Believe you me now, you got a new customer and a returning customer. 10 out of 10 service, man. Thank you, people.
Congratulations, new car, mate.
Thank you. See you in a bit.